Hello, welcome to Dragon Eat. Today I'll be making wontons. Today's video will mostly be focused on the filling and how to wrap them. I'm soaking some black fungus mushroom. It's totally optional. If you don't have them on hand, you can totally leave them out. I'm chopping up some scallion really fine. Wonton fillings are very similar to dumpling fillings, but if we have to make a difference, most wonton fillings are saltier than dumpling fillings because most of the time wontons are served in a bone broth or chicken broth. Putting my scallion in the ground pork. Now, my black fungus mushroom are fully soaked. I'm putting them in a food processor to chop them up. Adding the black fungus in the same bowl. Add some soy sauce. Sesame oil. Salt. White pepper powder. And ginger paste. I'm using a pair of chopsticks to mix them up. Keep stirring in the same direction, clockwise or counterclockwise, until they're mixed really well and you can see thin threads in the mixture. Now the filling is ready, let's start the wrapping. I bought the Wonton wrap from the store. You should be able to find them very easily in any Chinese supermarket. Put a bowl with some water on the side. Take one wonton wrap and put some filling in the center. Now we do a half fold of the wrap. Press along the edges of the filling like you're tucking it in. Make sure all the edges are sealed well. Now we just need one final warp of the wonton and press the two corners together like so. You will need a little bit of water to make sure the dough stick together. And that's it, a wonton is made. If that was too fast for you, let me do it again so you can really remember it this time. Put the wontons on a flat surface like a baking sheet with some distance between them. If you want to freeze them, just put the whole baking sheet in the freezer, and after they are frozen, you can put them together in a bag. If you don't do this and put them in a plate or a bowl, they will stick together. To my boiling water, I'm adding in the wontons. Stir them around so they don't get stuck at the bottom of the pot. If you're cooking fresh-made wontons, boil them for 2 to 3 minutes. If your wontons are frozen, boil for 2 more minutes. Like I mentioned before, traditionally wontons are served with a bone broth or chicken broth. I don't have either of them on hand today. I will be eating them like dumplings. And for that, I'm gonna show you how to make 2 very simple but delicious dipping sauce. The first one is a classic dumpling dipping sauce. We need some Chinese black vinegar, some soy sauce, and some chili with oil. Mix them together and it's done. The second sauce I'm making today is one I usually make when I eat fried chicken, but I find them work really well with dumplings too. We need some sweet and sour sauce and some hot sauce. I'm using mango habanero sauce here because they are also sweet, and mix them together. And that's it. Now we're ready to serve. In my opinion, this is an entry-level Chinese dish to make. I hope this video can serve as inspiration for you to experiment with the fillings and what combination you would like to eat. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell so you never miss a video in the future. I have a lot of amazing, authentic Chinese home cooking recipes coming up. Please stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.